So in this question we're told that a hydroxy acid is polymerized and we are given the number average molar mass and we're asked to determine the extent of reaction P and also the degree of polymerization Xn. So when we're determining P we'll be using an equation we've found in the notes. P equals 1 minus m0 over m bar n, where m0 is the mass of the monomer unit and mn is the number average molar mass. So we've been given the number average molar mass and we've been asked to work out P, so all we need to know in addition to this is the mass of the monomer unit. So our initial molecule that we're polymerizing looks like this. So if we're working out the molecular mass of that, we have 3 oxygens, 6 carbons, and 12 hydrogens. So this is 3 times 16, which is the mass of oxygen, and that is equal to 48. This is 6 times 12, which is equal to 72, and this is 12 times 1, which is equal to 12, which is a sum of 132 grams per mole. We aren't actually asked to work out the RMM of the whole molecule though, we've been asked to work out the RMM of the monomer unit. So if we consider that for any polymerization, we can assume that this is going to be a condensation reaction here. So we'll be eliminating a molecule of water, and a repeating unit will most likely be this. And that. So to get from this to this, we have literally just eliminated H2O, which, as we know, has a molar mass of 18, which is 2 from the hydrogen and 16 from the oxygen. So we minus that from 132, and that gives us, 18, that gives us 114 grams per mole. So if we plug that into this equation up here, we get P equals 1 minus 114 over 15,000, which is equal to 0.992 with no units, as these cancel out. So this is the first part of this question. We're also asked to calculate Xn, and to do that we simply put it into Carruthers equation from earlier. So Xn is equal to 1 over 1 minus P. So using our value of 0.992 as P, we get Xn equals 1 over 1 minus 0.992, and that gives us an Xn value, after calculating this using a calculator, of 125. So that's a fairly straightforward question. It just requires a bit of thought. So if you feel comfortable with this, move on to the next question. If you don't, go over this again, maybe watch this video again, and see what you can do differently.